Hello students, let's begin today's lesson from 5th standard maths, first chapter, number system. Here we are going to study about the numbers from 1 to 999. First, in the exercise, you have to insert the comma according to the international number system, read the numbers and write their number names. You have to insert the commas first and then you have to write its number name in the international number system. So international number system you have already learnt in the previous classes. Once again just revise it. So in the international system, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, then 10,000, then 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. So till from here, ones, tens, 100,000 till 10,000, it is same as it is like Indian system. Then for 1 lakh, we call it as a 100,000. For 1 lakh, we call it as a 100,000. Then for million is 10 lakh. In the Indian system for 10 lakh and in the international system for 10 lakh, we call it as a million. Then 10 million. 10 million is for 1 crore and then 100 million. 10 million is for 1 crore and 100 million is for 10 crore. So let's insert the commas here. So how many digits are there? 2, 3, 5, 7, 0, 8, 8. In the international system, you have to insert the comma using 3 digits. Means ones, tens, 100, 1000, 3 digits, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. So this 3 numbers comes under the thousands. Means 1000, 10,000 and 100,000. So for this 3 and then for 1. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000, then million. So how we have to write here? 2 million. We have to write its number name also. So 2 million. How we have to write this here? Means 357,000. 357,000. 57,000. Then obviously 88. 88. So let's try one more example. 4, 6, 8, 9, 8, 4, 3. So let's insert the comma. I have told you have to insert 3 numbers, then 1 is left. So let's see here. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. Next 100,000. After 100,000, million. So again you have to write here 4,689,843. So what is next one here? Again the same digits are there. For 3 numbers we have to put insert the commas. Then 3,476,129. Let's go for this one. D. See here. 3 digits, 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 3. Okay. As usual, 1 million and 6. 1 million and 6. Next, again the same digits, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are there. So 3 and 3. And once again, 4,500,010. Okay. And what is in your next main? In the next main, you have to again insert the comma and write it in the Indian system. So it's very easy. In the Indian system, you have already learnt ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. And for here you have to insert for two numbers. Now for example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 0, 88 means first 3 commas, ones, tens, 100, then two numbers you have to put the comma. So ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, right? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, okay? 10,000. After 10,000, lakh. Then 10 lakh. So here you have to tell 23 lakh 57,088. Once again, let me repeat. Ones, tens, 100, okay, 1,000, 10,000. So 1,000, 10,000. Then lakh, 10 lakh. 2 digits. So 23 lakh 57,088. So here also, here just you could see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 digits are there. 7 digits are there. First 3 ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So 34 lakh 89,864. Let's try this one. 60 lakh 1. So you just try yourself. Okay, what is next in your main? Here you have to find out, form at least 9 7-digit numbers. So you have to put 9 7-digit numbers because 7 digits are there. In that 7-digit numbers, one number you should write greatest and one number you should write smallest. So which are the numbers they have given here? Okay. 6, 2, 7, 1, 5, 4 and 0. These are the numbers they are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here you have to first write, you have to form the greatest number. So which is the greater number here? Of course 7. Then what comes next? 6. Then what comes next? 5. Then 4. Then 2. Then 1, 0. So ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. 76 lakh 54,210 is the greatest number. Greatest number. Then let us write the smallest number. So which is the smaller number here? 0. But we cannot take 0 as a first digit here. So what is next? Then 0, 1. Then we can write 0 here. So which is the next smaller? Of course 2. Then after 2, 4. Then 5. Then 6. Then 7. So this is the smaller digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 digits. So let us insert the commas here. So 10,24,567 is the smallest digit. Smallest number. So what they have told you here, again you have to form at least 9 7-digit number. So you can write, how you have to write? Now already you have written greater and smaller number. Now you have to write other numbers. So you can write, you can take it this as a number 62715540. Next, leaving 6, take 2715540 and then 6 because we have to form 7 digits. Then after 2 you can go for 71554062. Then again here 7. After 7 what is there? 1. So 1540627. Like this if you form you can get 9. At least they have written, they have told at least 9 times you can write 9 7-digit number. Okay children? Okay. We'll continue in your next class.